Hey, how you doing? I'll play a little bit of this song and teach you right afterwards. Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Alright, so shooting for just kind of an easy version of this. Play with the original recording and be capoed on the 4th fret and doing these chords relative to the capo. I'm going to teach you without a capo just in case you don't have one. Okay, so let's start with the chords. Simplifying chords out a little bit. C, 2nd string, 4th string, 5th string. That's a standard C. A minor, I'm just taking the ring finger off. That's an A minor 7, works as our A minor. G, I'm just kind of going up by 1, 5th string, 6th string, and really I'm kind of focusing on those lower about 4. That works as our G. F, just take my C, bring them down by 1. Let that bottom string ring open. It's a version of F, it's like an F7, works as our F. We'll need an E minor as well, both on the 2nd fret, 5th string, and 4th string. Let the 1st finger stay on just because that way it can stay on through the whole song. Makes it a little bit easier. Good, those are the chords. Good, so starting on a C. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and G play. I never see you A minor anymore. Come F, out the door, it's like you're going G way. We used to be best A minor buddies. C, now we're not. E minor, wish you would tell me A minor why. Want to build C, snowman, doesn't have to be F, snowman. Okay, C, bye. And that's through the song. I have a standard chord version up as well if you like standard chords. Cool, hope it helped. See ya.